You already, oh, focus, babe. It's looking better, baby. Ooh, they sorry. I know they sorry. That's all I'm doing. What are y'all doing?
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video today. I absolutely love this look. Today for the color series, color of the day is blue, baby. And y'all know blue is my favorite color. I love blue, or maybe you don't, but blue is my favorite color. I love it. Like, I love blue. It is just so beautiful to me. Like, look at this. Now at first I was not sure how it was going, and y'all go see, and you know, once I get into the look, that I was not positive like that this was going to go well. Like, I was not feeling it at first, and now that you know it's here, I love it. So yes, we just gonna get into today's video. So I'm going to be picking up some NYX glitter glue on a flat brush. This brush does not have a name, and I'm just going to pack that onto the lid exactly where I would like to place the pigment I'm going to be using. I'm picking up this NYX pigment in this shade Constellation. It's such a beautiful, beautiful pigment, a beautiful blue. Y'all know my favorite color is blue, okay? That's really why I wanted to pack on, you know, the color and just make it such a bold eye, because I love blue. It is so beautiful. So I decided to do a last minute wing. So I'm just gonna pop on some liner, and I'm using my NYX Epic Ink matte. No, this is not Epic Ink, Lord. This is just the regular matte liquid liner, because it's pigmented, and that Epic Ink will kind of have the blue seeping through, and I don't want that, so I'm going to use this one. I hope I can fix this and make it better. I'm going to go in with my Honey Do Me Up drops from NYX. This is what I'm going to use as a primer today. I don't know why I added that liner. Like, I'm gonna see if it's fixable, but if it's not, then just gonna have to make it do what it do. I really hope it comes together in the end. Oh my god. Oh, I hope so. I'm gonna go on with my MAC Stroke Cream as well in the shade Gold Light, and I'm gonna put some on top of that because I need extreme hydration today, y'all. If this doesn't work out, this will be the second video this week that I've just completely trashed. Because sometimes it really just don't work out. Like, sometimes what you have in mind does not just work out, and you're like, no, this is just not it. Like, this is just not it. Let's just get rid of it. And so you do. But I'm hoping, because I don't need that. Like, I need to upload this week. So I'm using my signature combo, you know what I'm saying? My ColourPop stick foundation in the shade Deep Dark 185 Warm, and my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Truffle. Now I'm low-key stressed. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Like, now I'm stressing out, because I just hope I didn't ruin it. Like, I really hope I didn't ruin it. I think once I'm able to clean it up with some concealer, it'll be good. By the way, if you are not following me on Instagram, go do that at Chariti Sinae, you know what I'm saying? And then also follow my poetry page, you know what I'm saying? I made a separate Instagram for my poetry. I know a lot of you didn't know that I even write poetry. If you get a chance, go stop by, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. It's Poetry by Chariti. And if you go to my main account, I have it also in my bio, and I have a highlight for it. Going in with my Crayon Case highlighter concealer, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? using this as a color corrector around my mouth. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking maybe I just needed to clean it up. Like, it's looking better. It's looking better, baby. Y'all cannot tell me that crayon case concealer don't be brightening to be so close to my complexion like that. Like, it really is my complexion, but it just adds this brightness where I place it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go on with my Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer. You know what I'm saying? Under my eyes. You know, just gonna brighten with this. Yo, I have been consistently working out and I'm so proud of myself. I'm like literally proud of myself. I have been so consistent, and it's like now that I'm being consistent, I can't wait to see, you know, the results of everything, of all my hard work. Okay, it's coming together. Like, it's coming together now. Going in with my what is this? Oh, my flour powder from Beauty Bakery. My fave, my absolute favorite powder. Like, it's out of this and Fenty now. Pure magic. Like, this just melts into your skin. You already know the deal, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna go in with some face powder real quick. You know what I'm saying? Real quick, white. My little MAC mineralized powder. If y'all do not know what this is, it is the MAC mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark, and it is my favorite powder. Makes your skin look very smooth and soft. You know what I'm saying? All right, holy grail right here, babe. Holy grail, holy grail. Just gonna start, you know what I'm saying, add some one to this face. I haven't even told y'all what it is. I just expect y'all to know by now. But it is the Sunstalker bronzer from Fenty Beauty in the shade Cocoa Naughty. My favorite bronzer ever. Bronze up. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I ever tell y'all the places I'm bronzing in, but I like going on my cheekbones, and I like going right up under my chin, but also around my mouth like that, you know what I'm saying? And then I go over here and under my jawline as well, you know what I'm saying? I also go up here on my head like so. I like also getting on my nose. Now, the new thing with my nose, I don't know if y'all have noticed from just watching, but there's no real method to how I bronze my nose anymore. I used to literally have a whole technique. I would really try and just contour it. That's what I used to do. I would take the time to actually contour my nose, but I don't care for contouring my nose anymore. I just like to go all over it, as you can see, with bronzer, and I just like the look of it better. Okay, of course y'all know I'm going in with my Dragon Beauty, baby. I'm taking the yellow one today. Just gonna go up there like that right there, like that right there, you know what I'm saying, like so, you know what I'm saying? It just makes it look a lot smoother, like, yes, you know what I'm saying? And of course I'm gonna blend it out, so do not come for me. And it doesn't even look as harsh, you know, in person as it does in the viewfinder, you know. But sometimes this viewfinder be playing tricks on people's eyes, and the monitor do, because when you go back to edit it, it's like there was nothing even it looked exactly how it looked in person, basically. Like, there's not that big a deal. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, yes, yes, and yes. Yes, y'all, this is giving me all the vibes. Okay, I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna shoot zoom in, not out, baby. And I'm going to line my lower lash line with this oh Lord, get it together, with this NARS Larger Than Life longwear eyeliner, and it is in the shade black, of course. And now I'm gonna go in with this NYX glide on eye pencil in the shade Sunrise Blue. She is back looking good. Okay, so I'm just gonna get straight into lips. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm going to do as far as my combination, honey. I'm going to line with Chestnut lip pencil from MAC, of course, and then I'm gonna go in with Brooklyn Thorn from NYX. This is a lip pencil as well. And then I'm taking this NYX gloss, this lingerie gloss in the shade Sable, and that is gonna be my lip combo today, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is, oh, that looking, I don't know, but this is the final look. I'm so happy I kept going to the end, because y'all know how I was feeling at first. I was not liking it, and now I love it. I absolutely love how it turned out. Like, this is my favorite one because this is my favorite color. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and then turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.